Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to find the Duolingo based promo code for your Duolingo, then this video is for you. If you want to get some exciting deals and coupon code that can give you some exciting offers and discount on Duolingo, then you have to follow my steps. So there is something like the Duolingo itself, in their official website, you can actually find some promotional campaign where you can find some exciting deals and discount and also the coupon code. So you have to be updated with their official webpage or their different types of social media platform like their Facebook official account or the Twitter account or also their Instagram page, so where you can find some promotional campaigns and you can get some coupons that actually works. So you have to wait for them. So occasionally they actually release some coupon codes or any type of campaign occasionally, so you have to be updated with them. And also you can join the Reddit community of Duolingo, where you can find the users has sharing some working and exciting deals and promo codes that are actually works. Now let me talk about some other website that can actually provide you some working coupon codes from here. So the first one is Simply Codes. First you have to go to the simplycodes.com and simply search for Duolingo, and here is Duolingo promo code and coupons for the updated date. Here you can see. Now here you can find different types of lots of coupon codes from here, but sometimes you can find not verified. That's mean there is no guarantee that this coupon code will work or not, but sometimes you can get the verified coupon code. Right now there is no verified coupon code available. That's mean they doesn't release any campaign, so you can use that promo code. So you have to wait for the verified code, or you can also use the not verified code. So here you can simply click on them. Here you can click on the view code. Let me show you. Simply click on the view code and you can find all the code will be revealed. So here you can see the codes from here, so you can use one by one and check if it's work or not. So you can find the reading code also. If you click on it, it will redirect you to the reading section. Now the second one is Gather XP, where you can also find some promo codes and coupon codes. Here you can see that with their deals what they will provide. So here you can copy each and every coupon code and try one by one and check if it's work or not. Now the third one is Lingoli, that is actually work for Duolingo, and that actually talks and publish article about Lingoli that can help you to be pro in Duolingo. Now you can find here some most different types of promo code that actually can give you some discounts, and here is the details what type of discount or what type of subscription that you get, or what type of coupon code, what does it work for. So you can simply copy it and paste it in this coupon. So if it's the one is not working, you can try another one, then try again, then you may find a working promo code. But right now I'm creating this video, and in that time this Duolingo doesn't have any type of coupon code or any type of promotional campaign release on their various platforms. So you have to wait until they release or organize a campaign on their official sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.